Welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. We are doing addition and subtraction, and this is technique number 7. And very first time we are going to use this 50 value. So finger process are very important, so be careful about that. And this is the technique, and these are some exercises which I'm going to do in this episode. Let's start. If possible, please note these questions on your notebook and try to do by yourself also. So let me explain about the technique. This is my marked dot. I just put a little bit of white paper. So let's start. First place 12, this one to 12, 55, 50 and 5. This one is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 0, 50 and this 5, 5, 5, 55 and reduce 55, reduce 1 to 12. It's easy. Next 34, 55, reduce 55 and 34. Next 2, 4, 24, 5, 5, reduce 5, 5, 2, 4 and 5, 5, 55, 43 and reduce 43 and 5, 5. So finger process are very important, so please do not be confused. We use our pointer finger to move up bits down and up. We use our thumb to move down bits up only one time, but to move down bits down we use our pointer finger. So this is the process of finger, how to use your abacus. So this is the technique. Please rewatch my this section. If you don't understand that, please go to your YouTube setting and slow down your speed and watch again. So let's do these exercises. Question number 1. 1, 5, 15, 5, 4, 54, reduce 51, this one 50, this one 1, reduce 15, 1 and 5 and 55, add 55 and your answer is 5, 8, 58. Next 2, 5, 25, 5 and 3 and reduce 5, 5, 55, add 5, 1, 51, reduce 5 and 4 and your answer 2, 0, 20. 3, 5, 35, 5, 1, 51, reduce 1, 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Add 2 and 3 and reduce 5 and 4. Your answer 4 and 0, 40. 5, 3, 53, 2, 5, 25, reduce 51. Add 52. Reduce 55. Your answer is 2, 4, 24. Add 44. Add 55. Reduce 25. Reduce 5, 3, 53 and add 5, 50 and 1, 51. Your answer 7 and 2, 72. 3, 1, 31, 5, 2, 52, 1, 5, 15 and reduce 45. This one 40 and this one 5. Reduce 53. This one 5 and this one 3 and your answer 0. Nothing is moving here. Next 2, 4, 24, 1, 5, 15, reduce 35, 3 and 5, 55, add 55 and reduce 54, this one 50 and 4 and your answer is 5. Number 8. 3 and 4, 1 and 5, reduce 4 and 5, add 5, 5, 55 and Reduce 54. 5 and 4. Your answer 5 again. Last one. 2 and 3. 1 and 5. 5 and 1. Reduce 25. 2 and 5, 25. And reduce 53. This one 50 and this one 3. And your answer is 1, 1, 11. So do these exercises by yourself and comment me how do you like this video, or if you don't like this video, please comment me how do you don't like this video. And next episode will be next technique. Be with me to be perfect on the abacus. See you in the next episode. Ta-ta!